Permian period. The Permian is a geological period and system which spans 46.7 million years from the end of the Carboniferous period 298.9 million years ago to the beginning of the Triassic period 252.2 million years ago. It is the last period of the Paleozoic era. The concept of the Permian was introduced in 1841 by geologist Sir Roderick Murchison, who named it after the city of Perm, which is close to Ural Mountains. Ural Mountains. The Permian witnessed the diversification of the early annelids into the ancestral groups of the mammals, turtles, lepidopteros, and archosaurs, reptiles, namely lizards, snakes, amphibians of frog species, etc., evolved and flourished. The world at the time was dominated by two continents known as Pangaea and Siberia, surrounded by a global ocean called Pandalsa. The Carboniferous rainforest collapse left behind vast regions of desert within continental interior. Aminotes who could better cope with their drier conditions rose to dominance in place of their amphibian ancestors. The Permian ended with the Permian-Triassic extinction event, the largest mass extinction in Earth's history, in which nearly 90% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial species died out. By the end of the Permian, mammals gave appearance on the globe. It is interesting to observe the most of the names of eras, period, etc. used in geological timescale have their origin from some places in the Europe. However, Indian geologists named the rocks formation of Cambrian to Devonian as a Dharwar group of rocks. The range of time period is between 600 million years and 400 million years. Similarly, the rocks formed in the Indian subcontinent between Carboniferous and Triassic is named as Gondwana group of rocks. This span is between 340 million years and 230 million years, and the rock formations formed between Permian and till date are called as Aryan group of rocks. This is the end. If you having any doubts, please send to me and give your valuable suggestions. Please share, like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for the watching. Have a good day.